Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare DJI Neo and Hoverair X1 Pro. The DJI Neo and Hoverair X1 Pro are both drones designed for different purposes and users' experience. The DJI Neo now is for advanced features, including high-quality camera capabilities, intelligent flight modes, and robust stabilization technology. It typically offers impressive flight times, excellent range, and reliable performance, making it a great choice for both hobbyists and professionals looking to capture high-quality aerial footage. On the other hand, the Hoverair X1 Pro is designed to be more user-friendly and portable, while it may not have the same advanced camera features as the DJI Neo. It often focuses on ease of use, making it a suitable option for beginners or casual users. The X1 Pro is typically lightweight and compact, making it easy to transport. If you're looking for advanced feature and high-quality aerial photography, the DJI Neo is the better choice. However, if you prefer a more user-friendly and portable drone for casual use, the Hoverair X1 Pro would be a good option. Thank you everyone for watching, hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.